After nearly 30 years of Central Georgia City welcoming back the textile industry, Sandersville in Washington County once had several textile manufacturers, but those companies shut down the mills and moved the industry abroad. Madison Ricks went to Sandersville to see how the new mill makes its textiles from start to finish.
Once, textile mills were easy to find in Sandersville.
So I used to work here. There were a lot of people that worked here at that time, and we put out a lot of t-shirts.
Becky Broussard used to work in this very building almost 30 years ago when it was Royal Manufacturing, but in the 90s, they closed their doors for good.
Really, at that time, it was a sad time because most of the manufacturing places were all closing down because it was all being shipped overseas.
And she isn't the only one with a history here. Sandersville native Zeke Chapman said he's proud to continue his family's legacy.
So to know that two of my great-grandmothers that lived and worked in this community, worked in this very building, in this very space, and for me to continue their legacy and their passion in some small way is a huge thing to me.
I can wear this shirt here if I really wanted to, but this started off as just another piece of fabric grown here, right in the state of Georgia.
This is our garment dye machine.
Chapman says everything is grown and made in Georgia, helping support rural communities like his.
So we want to support the state of Georgia as much as we can. We want to support local and rural communities as much as we can. We oftentimes get forgotten in the grand scheme of things. And so we really want to be able to do our best to support the people around us and the people that support us.
Broussard thought she'd never be back, but now she's glad to see the industry growing once again.
But now it's so nice to be back in this building, almost in the same area that I worked at when I was here.
Reporting in Sandersville, Madison Ricks, 13 WMAZ News.
Rally Apparel is sewing, dyeing, and printing everything from shirts to sports teams' uniforms in-house. The business opened its doors to the public with a ribbon cutting this afternoon.